Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has batted for the use of Khasi and Garo languages in the State Assembly. Meghalaya Chief Minister has already discussed the matter with Assembly Speaker Medha Lindo and other leaders of the MDA. According to a report, an official of the Meghalaya Assembly informed that CM Conrad Sangma will push for the use of Khasi and Garo languages in the upcoming session of the Assembly. The Deputy Chief Minister of Nagaland, Y. Patton, rewarded the 5 Nagaland police escort personnel attached to him on Tuesday for exemplary show of courage with Rs 20,000 each as a token of appreciation. The personnel reportedly successfully intercepted a truck involved in a hit-and-run case that killed 5 people and injured 3 others grievously on July 2nd. Patton, who also holds the home portfolio, instructed the police department to accord befitting recognition to the 5 policemen for their exemplary action. On 2nd July, a truck rammed into a zonal taxi at Kokidolong area near Indian Council of Agriculture Research Institute at Jharna Pani near Medzipema subdivision in Chumukedema district and fled the spot. Bollywood director Karan Johar has donated towards the flood relief operations in Assam. This was informed by Assam Chief Minister Himant Biswa Sarma. Karan Johar donated Rs 11 lakh to the Assam CM Relief Fund for flood relief operations in the state. Assam Chief Minister Himant Biswa thanked Karan Johar for his contribution to the CM Relief Fund. Although the population affected has gone down in Assam, the death toll rose to 184 with 4 new deaths reported on Tuesday from the Chhachar district. The Assam Cabinet, in its weekly meeting on Tuesday, approved the Vehicle Scrappage Policy of Assam 2022. The decision on the scrappage policy was announced by the Cabinet on Tuesday. Although much was not revealed immediately, the policy is set to ensure proper dismantling and scrapping of operations of end-of-life vehicles. The policy has reportedly been approved to ensure effective implementation of the registration and functions of vehicle scrapping facility policy to reduce vehicular pollution and phase out unfit and polluting vehicles.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.